One mistake that many claimants in serious injury cases make is not getting the right medical treatment promptly. And there is two important things you need to know about it if you've been involved in a serious injury accident, whether it's a car accident or any other incident where you were seriously injured. Number one, make sure that you get some kind of medical treatment, some kind of medical attention as soon as possible after you suffered an injury. What often happens, and the common mistake that I see over and over, is that a person is involved in a car accident or a slip and fall or some kind of other injury incident. They feel pain, but they can deal with it. They can tolerate it. So they decide not to bother and go to the doctor or to a chiropractor or to a physical therapist. So they keep going to work and to school until the pain becomes unbearable, which could take a week, 2 weeks, a month, or even several months. Then they start going to the doctors and to the chiropractors and they get their treatment. However, when the time comes to talk to the other side, to talk to the insurance company about the settlement, or when the time comes to file a lawsuit and try to prove your injury claim in court, that delay in treatment, that time between the incident, between the day when the injury occurred and when the treatment started, that delay is the time that the insurance company will use to try to prove that you haven't been injured as badly as you say you are. They are going to say, and they do it over and over, they're going to say that you've been injured badly enough. If you've been injured as badly as you say you were, you wouldn't have been waiting as long as you have. And you might have all kinds of reasons why you didn't get medical treatment sooner. Maybe you didn't have health insurance, maybe you didn't have time, maybe you had to wait to see a particular doctor for too long. Could be all kinds of reasons. But their argument, the argument of the insurance company, is usually more persuasive, because the bottom line is this: if it hurts bad enough, if the accident is serious enough, you would have found someone and you would have needed to see someone sooner than later. So, if you've been involved in an accident, and even if your pain is bearable, still at least see your general doctor once. Get evaluated by a chiropractor once. Get your x-rays done to see the damage, because sometimes you don't feel the pain from fractures, from contusions, and from other injuries until much later. But it's important to identify it sooner than later, and it's important to show that you've gone to the doctor as soon as you could, and preferably within a day or several days of your accident. The second mistake that injury claimants make is only going to the chiropractor. There's nothing wrong with chiropractors. They can be very effective in alleviating the pain and helping you with your back problems and your neck problems. However, what often happens is that a person gets injured, they go to the chiropractor, that's the first person they see, then they get treated by the chiropractor over a period of 2, 3, 4 months, and that chiropractor never tells them to see someone else. The chiropractor never tells them to see an orthopedic surgeon, a neurologist, or any other doctor. Now, if it's a minor accident, it's fine. Chiropractor might be the only person you need to see. But if you had a serious accident where you have broken bones or fractures or serious displacements in your back or in other parts of your body, it's very important that you get evaluated by other medical professionals except the chiropractor. Keep these two tips in mind if you've been involved in an accident, and they'll help you get better medical care and get fair compensation for your injury. Thank you.